Next, let's scroll down to our image gallery section. I want to configure this image gallery with my own custom images. To get started, I'll click into the section. As you can see on the right-hand side, there's options for the layout, background, title, and the gallery images. At the very bottom, I can choose to remove all images. I'll click on this, and then click on Remove All in the middle of the screen. I now have an empty image gallery. To add my own images to the image gallery, I'll go back to the right-hand side and click on the plus icon. I'll then click on Add Images. I'll then choose every photo that I want to add into my image gallery at once. And then I'll click on Open to upload all of these images. All 6 of my images will now be uploaded to my website. With all of my images selected, I'll go to the bottom right-hand side and click on Add to Photo Gallery. As you can see, all of my images have now populated onto my website. So far, I think this image gallery looks great, but I do want to customize the layout. To do that, I can click on the Layout button in the top right, or I can choose to change the layout on the right-hand side here as well. I'll click into this, and I think I'll opt in for a slideshow of images with thumbnails. To change the layout, I'll click on this, and once I'm done, I'll click on Done. I've now configured and uploaded my own custom images to my image gallery.